Hey everybody, XJoe81X here, and on the tubes today we're going to be installing a plastic cover for your cell phone. This so happened to be this one from Amazon, screen protector. When you open it up, it gives you an instruction on to how to do it, of course. It gives you 4 of these. It gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 alcohol wipes. It gives you a dust absorber, which seems to be a sticker. I guess you could run it over the phone. It gives you 4 of these, which is almost like a bump stop. So I already installed one, and see, you know, if you do have another party, I'm sure you could have your friend or hold your finger there. But for this purpose, we're just going to actually use it. We might be able to reuse it. So basically, I'm going to show you how I personally install this while with reading these instructions. Everything is completely different. They give you a connector that goes in the back. We'll show you that in a second. They obviously give you a piece of plastic or cardboard with some kind of felt in order to do that, which pushes the bubbles out. And they give you like a little like TV scotch pad. So what you're going to want to do is remove the phone down to its original style. Whatever you have on it, take off, put on the side. If you choose to use this, or if you have anything else, I'm sure you could use this if you wanted to, as long as it doesn't move. You improvise. So we're going to put the phone down. We're going to take an alcohol wipe. We're going to wipe the phone in whatever motion you want, up and down. That's it. Try to get the sides because they get greasy. And this is a Samsung Galaxy S10, so it has curved sides. I'm satisfied that this is clean. We'll put this on the side. We're going to take this anti-lint thing. We're just going to clean it up and down. I'm doing this on top of a light bulb so you can kind of see the screen. There's going to be imperfections. This is a used phone from a website, but at the give and take, as long as you get rid of the streaks, you'll notice that whatever angle you're looking at, as long as the streaks are gone. Okay, we're going to install this. Self-explanatory. These 3 bumps go up. It goes into the battery. This is what they say. Push it in. Okay, it goes half of the battery, like that. It wobbles on this one. Let me see, take it out. We'll put it back in. Yeah, it doesn't get forced, so it stays right there, which is kind of odd, but okay. We'll do a test run. Take it out of the plastic. Okay, it says S10, 1, 2, paste start line. I'll tell you what that is in a second. So I want you to put it in the 3 pieces right there. And it wants you to line it up. You're going to have to line up a little bit of it. Okay? I'll read you the instructions really quick. This way you don't have to read them yourself. Okay, number 1, it states to stick the black foam onto the label and align the top, which is this black foam. Plug the white positioning tool, which was right in here, into the charging port of the phone. And then they want you to clean the phone with a wet wipe, and you remove any dust or dots with the dust absorber, which we didn't use because I'm satisfied that this works. Then they want you to line the screen protector with the white positioning tool, which we did right here. Press on the paste start line area. They want you to press right here, which we will in a second, area to ensure that the screen protector firmly adheres to the screen. So they want you to just so it might be sticky right here. So I see that it's a little bit sticky. So that's number 2. Number 3 is that they want you to hold the hand scraper and press it against the lower paste start line, which is right here. So they want you to hold it right here like this. They want you to push up, sort of. Paste up. Flip the upper part of the screen protector backwards. So they want you to hold this like this, and they want you to do this. That's number one. I see. So they want you to hold it right here. They want you to lift this up like this. Ready? They want you to peel this back. And as you peel it back, you got it? They want you to slowly do it at 170 degrees. Right. When you get that degree, you let me know. And they want you to do it just like that. Let go. See, there's a bubble here. Of course, there's a bubble. There's always a bubble. You could work that bubble out by theoretically grabbing it. I've done this before, so you could kind of work it out. Maybe the screen protector. There's like a dot on it. There's something on the screen protector.
Are you supposed to use the dust absorber?
So we're going to reuse a brand new one. Hit pause. Okay, this is why they have 4. We'll see if this one works. You put this back, number 2. You line it up. Line it up to where you see it's nice. This is why people spend $20 and have other people do it for them. I'm wearing gloves because your fingers have oils on them. Some people don't have. You don't have to wear gloves if you don't want to. So you peel it back. Perfect. There's nothing there. This looks perfect. I don't know how the sides are going to work. So we went up to step number 3. Step number 4 is align the bottom of the phone with the black foam. Repeat steps 3 to remove the bottom. So you would hold it there. You would lift this up. Grab the green tab. And you would put your finger down here because put that aside. Now this is on. Now what they do, number 5 is press the edges of the phone to ensure the screen protector is fully adhered. Then peel off the protector layer. So they want you to do this. Oh, okay. It's there. This protector just makes it look like it didn't adhere. It actually is. Use your finger. Go like this. Go down. The protective piece on top is lifting. Go this way. This way, okay. Then peel off the protective layer, number 2, and remove the white tool. So what we'll do is we'll peel this off a little bit, and we'll use the tool in your finger and you just take this felt tool and you just hit the sides. Hit the sides, hit the sides. You want to hit it with your finger with a glove, hit the top. It protects the whole phone. There is no hole for the camera, because that's probably where they get you. There you go. That's how I install a front protective case on a Samsung S10. They said to take this out, you discard all the stuff, and you can't tell the difference. It's just clear. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next cell phone video. Take it easy.